This is a question from D2, 7th edition. Exercise is 1D, and we are going to start advanced level. Rest of the questions have been solved in the previous class. So, the question says that y is inversely proportional to 2x plus 1. Inverse proportion means when one quantity increases, the other quantity decreases. Okay, how you write it? If y is inversely proportional to 2x plus 1, we write it as y is inversely proportional to 1 over 2x plus 1. This is inverse proportion, right? Now you can convert this proportionality into equality by inserting a constant k. So now it becomes y is equal to k over 2x plus 1. So this is a constant. Where by inserting this constant, we have replaced proportionality sign with equality sign. Now the condition in this question is that when x is 0.5 and when x is 2, we will be going to find the value of y when x is 0.5 and when x is 2. We will find the value of y at these values of x. Then we will subtract those values of y. And the result of subtraction of the values of y after putting these values of x, the result of subtraction of those values of y will give us 0.9. So first of all, find the values of y when x is 0.5 and when x is 2. What is our equation? This is our equation, and we are going to use this one. Look over here. This is my equation. So when x is 0.5, use x equal to 0.5. So 0.5 into 2 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. So y1, the value of y when x is 0.5, k over 2. This is first value of y. Now obtain the second value of y when x is 2. Again use the same equation. y2 is equal to k over 2x plus 1. Put x equal to 2. Here x is equal to 2. 2 into 2 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. Now this is second value of y when x is 2. So you got two values of y. Now in the given condition, they have told us that the difference in the values of y, difference means minus. The difference in the values of y when x is 0.5 and when x is 2. Those values of y which are against 0.5 and 2 mean these two values. The difference in these two values is 0.9. Mean y1 minus 2, y1 minus y2 is 0.9. So y1 from here is k by 2. So y1 is k by 2, y2 is k by 5, y2 is k by 5. We are going to find the value of k. Okay. So you have different denominators, 2 and 5. I am going to take the LCM and we are going to use the technique of making the denominator same. Okay. So here we have got 2, here we have got 5. Make the denominator same. How? Simple. Use this 5, multiply this 5 over here in the numerator and the denominator. Multiply 5 in the numerator as well as in the denominator. So 5 multiplied by the numerator, 5k. 5 multiplied by the denominator, 5 into 2. And then multiply this 2 with the numerator and the denominator. 2 into k and 2 into 5. Now you have got the same denominators. 5 into 2, 10, 5 into 2, 10. Now take the LCM. 10 is the LCM. Then is LCM, 5k minus 2k will be equal to 0.9. Now from here, our purpose is to find the value of k. We need k. 5k minus 2k is 3k, and when you have to find k, isolate k. Isolation. You have to find k. Move 10 on the right side. So 10 on the right side will be multiplied with 0.9. Why? Because 10 is being divided over here. On the right side 10 will be multiplied with 0.9. 10 into 0.9 gives you 9. Simple. So 3k is equal to 9 and k is equal to 9 over 3, which will give you k equal to 3. We got k. Now the question is, find the value of y when x is minus 0.25. Here, x is minus 0.25. Use the equation. Which one? This one. Y is equal to k over 2x plus 1. This one. Now use x minus 0.25. This value, they have given that. And what is the value of k? K is 3. So use k 3 and x minus 0.25. Minus 0.25 into 2 will give you minus 0.5, and minus 0.5 plus 1 will give you 0.5. 3 over 0.5 is 6. You got 5. So the answer for this question, the value of y when x is minus 0.25, y is 6. Thank you so much.